Oh,
Toby, stay in here.
Toby, come here.
That one
Toby.
there. When do you think that's the last time they had that pontoon on the water? Moved that out in the lake.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, we go that way?
No, we're going over here.
Oh,
Right
over.
over there.
Oh,
But that pontoon always looks like the weeds are all there, like they never take it out. Maybe they do during the weekday.
yeah, maybe at night. Where's your friend live? Where's your
Try
friend?
by the trees over there. We try here.
You can do whatever you want, Daddy.
Crane.
Huh?
Crane.
Crane? Hi, Crane! Crane! Your name is Crane? Crane! Right there, I will focus you, Crane.
Relax, Bucky.
Relax backward.
Yeah, we're
That's
at like 11 feet. This is never this little here.
oh, Crane. Where is it, Crane? All right, there is flamingo. They are related. They only have one legs.